Today we're going to finalize everything that needs to be done with this car.
I'm actually taking it out right now in the dark. Pretty nervous because these tints are new. I wonder how it's gonna look. Driving, I feel like I'm not gonna be able to see anything. We're gonna, you know, cry together. Can't see at all. This is with high beams on. This is without high beams on. Oh my god, look how dark it is. Welcome back, my beautiful people, to my channel today. First of all, before we get into anything, let's look at the lineup right now. Sheesh. Look at the lineup, not me. It's for our lineup. And then you got this car right here, you know. This non-wrapped, non-painted, broken fenders car, you know. Today we're going to be adjusting my ride height so like that we can like stop working on this car, basically finalize everything that needs to be done with this car so we can get it, you know, wrapped soon. So that can be the next step. We're just gonna adjust the ride height because I don't know, I feel like it's uneven if you guys look at it. Once we finalize the ride height, we're going to be taking it to the alignment shop since the wheel is like, you know, turned while I'm driving straight. So we gotta definitely fix that. Plus, you know, we don't want to wear no tires. We don't want to go through tires every week. And also we're gonna try my fender finally because, you know, we've been playing with this fender. That's what it is. We've just been having fun with this fender, just backing up and turning when, you know, we're not supposed to. We've just been having fun, and that's why it's like this. You know, it wasn't like that like a few days ago. But bacon, sausage, fenders. Let's go look at the pipes. Are you guys proud of me? It's been years since I said I was going to change the pipes, and I finally did it. Every video, be prepared for me to mention my pipes. Beautiful pipes. I really don't know how we're going to do this. I think we're going to start with like right and then left.
I was gonna say, aren't you keeping your rear like that? I think your rear is fine. I think, yeah, it is just your front. Look at it. This side, I think your front just needs to go down like 2 washers. I like this ride height. This is dope. I think you need to go down like 2 or 3. 3 in this side, 2 on this side, 3 on the other side.
Imagine I mess up your wrap.
Don't, please, it's already up.
Imagine I do the same color.
No. That was funny.
I hate wood. I feel like every time I touch it, I'm scared to get a splinter. Do you guys see the chrome wheels from over there? Yeah, it makes me want to like get something chrome. These are not shiny enough at all. These are like, what are these called? Brushed. Let's loosen these now so we can just remove the tire. Well, the wheel. The tire. I seen a video on TikTok where this guy, he removed the tire with his hand. So I think anything is possible. Let's use legs now. Okay, there we go. We're gonna lower it from here without removing the whole top hat. We're gonna try to like pull it down, compress it, and then take away the washers like that. And then, you know, bolt it back up. Super easy. How do we push it down, you ask? Grab a flathead, you know, and push it
Wait,
with all your force down.
You gotta let me do that because now it's gonna go up as soon as you let go. You're trying to do both at one time? You're ruthless.
Okay, now we remove the washers. Oh my gosh, no, it's not gonna work out.
It's going back up?
Yeah.
I told you, you gotta let me do it at the same time.
Alright, so you push it down and then I'll remove the washers.
Are you ready?
Yes. Okay.
Go fast. Go fast.
Wait, I need to put it back down. I need more time.
Go fast.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ah!
Bruh.
Okay, so I removed 3 washers. Now we gotta put everything back together. Give me that piece that you took off.
I didn't take it off.
So where'd it go?
I don't know, it must have fell.
How did it disappear? I don't see it anywhere. I only see this piece.
That was it. Yeah, what are you talking about?
Sure?
It's right there, yeah.
I thought it was a bigger piece.
No,
Right side is done now. Does it give it character? Let's put these back on. you guys are new, welcome to the channel. We're almost done, you know, messing around with my car so that we can take it out and do public videos. So make sure you subscribe and give this video a like, comment down below as well.
There's a little lip inside. I'm praying it doesn't buckle.
It's pretty tight. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty tight. Might not be able to turn at all.
No, it looks good. It's that lip. That's what I was telling you about.
This right here is touching the tire. So I would for sure need to cut that because it's on one wood right now. So if I put two, it's gonna be lower. It's gonna be like the actual ride height. It's gonna go down more, so it might be even more tighter. But what I'm thinking is just cut this, ride it out, and let it like roll on its own. And hopefully it doesn't buckle. If it does, then you know, we'll go get another fender. Back like it never happened. Oof. Ready?
Yep.
Not too low right now. Now it looks even.
Back to being low now.
That's how I like it.
It's low now.
That looks really good. Oh, it's little things, you know? Little things like 3 washers that make a big difference. Ooh, it's getting hot. We're like 2 seconds away from passing out. Hair is up. That's how you know it's you know, it's almost time to wrap it up. Other side now. I'm gonna try to use one hand so I can hold the camera for you guys. All for you guys. Okay, 1,
Oh, it
2,
goes off slow.
3. Might as well take out 2 washers. Okay.
This side's way easier.
Now we take it back up. I hate these wheels because they have like different sockets. So it's like meant for different patterns. So I have to like rotate it and find the right one. If you guys know, you know. If you don't, one day you will.
Much better.
Wow.
I think it looks good
We're
now.
done. We're done with this car. We started at 3, but I was stalling. And it's currently 5. So that, what does that mean?
2 hours to
It
take
shouldn't
off
be-
3 washers.
It shouldn't take that long, but you know, I like to stall and take my time. Oh, and we did the fender. So, you know, because it's me, it took longer. But if you guys were to do it, it would have been 10 minutes. As you can see, it is currently nighttime. The alignment shop that I was supposed to go to, they changed their like rules or whatever, so I have to make an appointment before I go. So I couldn't get that done today. They're pretty booked, so we're gonna have to wait like a couple days. So instead of going to the alignment shop, I'm actually taking it out right now in the dark. You guys have never seen me driving this in the nighttime, and I'm pretty nervous because these tints are new. I wonder how it's gonna look. Driving, I feel like I'm not gonna be able to see anything. We're gonna, you know, cry together. So we lowered the front. Nothing's rubbing, so I think we're good. This car is driving beautiful, by the way. No issues so far. Nothing feels loose. Everything feels good. Can't see at all. This is why I gotta stay focused. I can't do 2 things at once. Guys, we're not officially outside yet. I just need to get my alignment first and then we'll be set. Alignment and then we'll be actually outside. Props to whoever has tints and has a low car with a lot of camera all around, because how do you do it? How? This is with high beams on. This is without high beams on. Oh my god, look how dark it is. These tints gotta go. They gotta go. Can't see anything. Do you guys see anything? This is why I have the high beams on. They said get tints. I mean, tints look fire. I'm gonna have to just get used to it. Before we end today's video, I do want to say a couple things. First of all, I am not encouraging anyone to go the washer way, which is my suspension way. The washers that I have were meant to be for like temporarily to see like how I can handle the car being low, driving it low and stuff like that. And as time progressed, I just said, you know what, washers are doing good. The washers haven't snapped, the washers haven't given me any problems, so let's just leave them on. I do not want to encourage that on anyone. Washers is not the only way to go low. You can always go the right way, which is the spring ways. You just get some springs that will have you sitting low. I also want to say the alignment video is coming right up. I actually booked an appointment for this week, so stay tuned for that next video. We're gonna go to the alignment shop and maybe something else, who knows, you know, I'm always full of surprises. But yeah, that's another thing. No more working on my car, no more lowering, no more raising it, no more adding camber to it. This is the official ride height car. Only thing is, you know, body fixes. That rear bumper that I have to fix, color as well. When I want to start doing public videos, the videos that I got stored for you guys, so make sure you guys subscribe, give this video a like, comment down below if you guys are ready to see this car on the road and getting people's reactions and breaking necks and all of the above. Turn your post notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Do I have anything else to say? Do I have anything else to say? My car. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Love you all. Stay safe and stay blessed. Peace. I'm sweating. It's crazy. I'm in the car doing an outro with no like AC or anything. I'm in a sauna right now.